today is another day. We are in lockdown, but I'm again headed to AK Racing. If you watched the previous video where I was doing the first few pulls in my Evo 10 after I've just got the turbo installed, you will have seen at the end that the intercooler piping popped off. It's an issue that I was having fairly often, kind of got over it, so I was talking to the guys at AK and they said to come and get some of the clamps that they use, which are the Worth clamps. So it's definitely a lot stronger, not as hard to get tight, and yeah, seems to have little teeth that sort of holds it in, so I'll show one of those. But yeah, so I'm just actually on my way home from there now. I actually fitted 3 of the clamps that I could in the street there, borrowed some tools off those guys, and yeah, just driving home, and the car's sounding completely different. I think I may have a little bit of a leak still there that I just need to, it was just too hot to try and put the car back together properly after driving it there, so I kind of just got what I could tight and started driving home. But yeah, I'm hearing a bit of a whistle sound, but I'm not sure if that's just the sound this turbo is making and I'm just not used to it still, because it's only about the 3rd time I've driven with it, but I'm noticing it more than ever now. It kind of is similar to the sound of when you have an intercooler piping popped off and it's just leaking, but this is obviously not that because it is making boost now. So yeah, I'm going to get home and have a bit of a play around, but just thought there's not many chances we get to drive these days. I do go back to work in a couple of days, but other than that, yeah, kind of meant to be at home as much as possible. So just thought I'd film a bit of a drive today, and yeah, might make for a somewhat entertaining video for you guys, because I am starting to run low on videos. We've done all the Rally Art part installs, and yeah, I don't have anything left to do to my car at the moment. Just fiddling around, painting a few things and cleaning it. So yeah, I thought I'd just film this, and yeah, I'll get a few more clips on the way home, see if I can get a couple of light pulls. I just don't want to do a wide open throttle pull, as I feel like the clamps aren't all in the right spot yet. Still have more tightening to do, and you know, getting my intercooler piping into the right position. But so yeah, I'll try and get a couple of light pulls on the way home, and yeah, we'll cut to those. Alright guys, just made it home from AK Racing. So I'd show you the clamps that I was talking about that I picked up. So it's these ones here, called a Worth clamp. But yeah, it has this extra little bit here, and it really seems to bite down hard. So much so that when I was driving, I said I thought it sounded like I still had a leak, and I definitely would have. As you can see, hopefully that shows the angle. So this is, obviously I need to swivel this one around more so that it lifts this one up. But this is on there so well that even though it should have popped off, it actually has held. It's just got a slight leak at the bottom. So still hitting boost and holding boost okay, but obviously there's a little bit of air. So this time I will actually let the car cool down rather than trying to do it on the side of the road. I still have this one to put on at the very back there. So that one's definitely let the car cool down, take that heat shield off, and do that later job, but also fix this one up. I thought I'd show you my other latest mod that I did, which was yesterday. I picked up a spare fuel rail and painted it blue to suit the rest of my theme. So when I put that on, I actually tucked this wiring underneath, so it looks a lot neater now. Afterwards I found out I was also meant to flip these around so that the plugs were the other way, so you don't see them as much. So yeah, it was one of my friends who suggested that. I forgot about that part, so I'll have to do that again. I didn't make a video on it or anything, as I had no idea what I was doing. Didn't want to make a video and tell you guys something that is going to cause damage to your car or anything, so I just sort of did it. I do have my old fuel rail that came off now that I'll probably paint and put on Letitia's car and do the same thing. Possibly film a video on that, but there is the option of the NRG Ops wire tuck kit now, so I have that to go back into the MyVec, so the MyVec extender, which gets rid of your wires running over here, that I made a video on. They now make one for the injectors and another one. I'm not too sure how that all works. I'll definitely want to get one of those, but with the Australian dollar being so bad at the moment, they're just, and with the whole lockdown crisis, it's just impossible to get those. So yeah, possibly I'll just do the wire tuck on the t-shirts properly, but for now, mine definitely finished the bath a bit better, especially the painted fuel rail. Also repainted this piping. I have put a few videos out showing that it's done. I do have a video on that, where I painted it, but yeah, it's kind of, I'll just release that one later. So yeah, anyway, that's it for today's video. Definitely got out and about in the car. It's worth filming, at least, I thought. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Plenty more videos to come. Trying to film as much as I can during this lockdown. So yeah, I'll keep releasing videos as long as you guys want to keep watching them. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys next time.